10 Vastu tips for the main entrance of your house. Hello friends, here are some Vastu tips for the main entrance of your house. 1. The main door of one's home should open up to pleasant surroundings. This is because when you are entering your home or stepping out of the entrance, the view should be pleasant as it gives you a pleasant feeling. The entrance should not be cluttered or have shadows cast by trees or creeper plants. If a shadow is cast over the entrance, it is considered inauspicious. 2. Intersecting roads denote clashing of ideas and hence, they can lead to chaos. Therefore, one needs to ensure their main gate never faces intersecting roads. Also, the main door in the house should be larger than the other doors in the house, and it should be placed in a way such that it is higher than or at the same level of the street. 3. The steps leading to the main door should be in odd numbers and it should be at a higher place than the approachway or lobby. 4. Your main entrance door should never face an abandoned building or dilapidated or broken down place. Also, if possible, it should not directly face your neighbor's main entrance as well. 5. Although not always possible or practical, it is a great thing if a home has 2 entrances. With 2 entrances, the exit door should have a smaller entryway than the main entrance, and if it has a shutter, it should have only one shutter. If one is creating 2 external doors in the house, they should not be in a straight line with each other. 6. Shadows are never good, so one needs to make sure that when they construct the main entrance door, no shadows should fall over it. 7. It is considered highly inauspicious if the main door of the house and the entrance door are on the same side of the house. 8. It is best to avoid corner walls for main entrance door construction. In fact, it can be constructed a couple of feet away from such a junction. 9. The main entrance door should always be sturdy and hence, it should be constructed with high-quality materials such as high-quality wood. Using metal should be avoided for doors and frames. Also, when in construction mode, ensure there are no cracks or other damages to the door. This is considered inauspicious. 10. The width of the main entrance door should always be half the height of the length of the door. This means, if the door is 10 feet tall, the width needs to be 5 feet wide. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.